The original Firefighters launched in April, and while the firefighting mechanic was quite satisfying, we felt that the game lacked in the progression department. We also felt it was missing something crucial: those epic, shareable, wildly satisfying unlock moments, the kind that make you want to throw confetti at your screen and yell, "I earned this!" Introducing Firefighters Career Mode. This isn't just fire anymore, it's ambition, it's promotion parties, it's cake. Hustle hard, rescue cats, and save burning houses, and you might just climb the sizzling ladder all the way to Fire Chief. So how do you go from water boy to legend? 3 glorious new locations await: the office, the store, the garage. These give the game focus, structure, and that sweet, sweet sense of progression. The office, where the fire chief barks orders and the firehouse dog somehow gives shockingly detailed XP advice. Do not ignore the dog. He's not just there for morale, though he's crushing it in that department. He actually tells you exactly what to do to level up, like step by step. He's basically a furry career coach with a helmet. Next, the store. Need more oomph in your hose? Upgrade that nozzle. Want to walk into flames like a fireproof legend? Upgrade your protective gear? And yes, we made sure you can fight fires in style. You and your crew can rock matching uniforms. Look at that firehouse dog outfit. Just look at it. Isn't it shareably adorable? Screenshot it, post it, tag us. Let the world see that drip. And then there's the garage. Because what's the life of a firefighter without a little grease under the nails? Your fire truck won't fix itself, Chief. Upgrade the tires, soup up the engine, boost your speed so you can blast into danger like a siren-blaring superhero. Pro tip: coins are your best friend. Earn them by fighting fires, keeping play streaks, and generally being awesome. More coins equals more upgrades equals more domination.
I believe in every single one of you!
At its core, Firefighters is still about teamwork. Fires are basically puzzles, except instead of brainpower, you solve them with water, courage, and possibly a high-pressure hose the size of a garden gator. And when you get promoted, cue the party cutscene. The crew cheers, the firehouse dog beams with pride, confetti flies, there's even cake. It's basically your birthday. If your birthday involved a burning building and extreme job satisfaction.
Congratulations, you've been promoted. If you keep working this hard, you'll be a fire chief one day.
That's a pretty satisfying game unlock moment, isn't it? Another favorite moment? The alarm cutscene. The siren blares, the team scrambles, and the camera zooms in on the dog unleashing the most determined bark in firefighting history. These cinematic moments were made using the camera API. And yeah, we're ridiculously proud of them. They're dramatic, they're emotional, they're 100% shareable. So hit that screenshot. Tag us on Instagram at Random Games Universe. Flex your rank.
Heads up, firefighters! Another fire! Whoa, whoa.
Let's be extra careful out there.
Only elite veterans reach Fire Chief. Be one of them. With 30 levels, 8 flaming hot ranks, 24 quests, 10 cities on fire, and a firehouse so charming it should have its own reality show, Firefighters Career Mode isn't just a game, it's your cake-filled destiny. So grab your hose, pet the firehouse dog, and report for duty, because your career is about to get lit.
Crisis averted!
We're the best crew ever.